Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this trace on a pretty difficult item. I seen one of the young lady was having trouble, but I have basically traced by hand this yin yang, and I'm just going to show you. I did this part with a 3-point curved line. I love the 3-point curved line because you can just go from there. Whoop. You can grab that and just draw you a line to there. Those are connected. Go to that end, slap it there, get your shape tool. And you can see I'm still working on the Clipart because there's my white bounding box. And then just move your handle till you get happy with it. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, but we're going to get it really close. And then just move away your graphic. And there's our yin yang. Now it's got a piece of fill in there. But what I would do, because this might not be all one solid piece, which it actually is, I would get, if you have the smoothing tool, use the smoothing tool, and we'll go 0.5 of an inch, and we'll smooth out that little part right there, and maybe give it a little bit of a sweep. And then just move it over. Now I messed up and didn't nudge, and I'd really have to look at the graphic, and the horseshoe is actually touching. So, you know, depending on what you want it to look like and everything, you could move the horseshoe over a little bit because it's your, you know, it's your drawing unless you're producing somebody's exact logo. And you can move this around and get, let's change our nudge distance to 0.001. 0.001. And we can nudge this up a little bit. And you could actually make this yin yang a little bigger because we did make our circle different. But you just want the yin yang kind of even with the border, and that looks pretty good. Now, I don't know what the plan is on this thing, but to get it to look like that, you're going to have to take this handprint and left click, no fill, right click outline, and then use your smart fill tool to fill this in, and hopefully it's going to look like that, and it does. Then you would need to smart fill the palm part of the print. And then I would definitely, before you forget, go up here and left click, no outline. Let's take a yellow box, take our triangle or rectangle tool, make it yellow and put it to the back of the page. And there's the logo, transparent, made pretty easy. And young lady, I'm going to send you this file also. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.